One day I went to the wharf and I was walking around and I heard this airplane fly above me with a banner. You know, the airplane that has a banner. It's a very noisy airplane. And I went around just, I was curious. I went around asking about 20 people if they see the airplane. 15 people told me, what airplane? I haven't seen any airplane. I said, did you hear of it? They said no. And about 5 people told me that they heard, but they didn't bother to look in the sky to see what the airplane was carrying or anything. So why this guy, why people give you permission for this airplane to fly here? It's so noisy, and is it noisy on purposely to attract people's attention? That's why. And they still give permission to those people to a beautiful day like this. There's this airplane flying around the bay, and you see the distance where he is. He's right there on the bay, and it's so noisy. That's a long distance from here to the bay where I'm filming. So here's my questions to City Hall. Why you give permissions to these people to fly over our heads?